Hello all, today I'm going to demo the Edu agent which we built, basically the AI powered personalized learning agent. So let me get started. You can create a new learning path. Let's say you want to learn about data analytics, and also you are interested on let's say data warehouse. So I'm just adding a second data. So I'm just adding one of the image which has the data warehouse architecture so that we can just give the context. I'm asking it to generate. So currently we are using the best model which we fine-tuned, which is the DeepSeek R1 7 billion parameter model for generating the learning path. So this is the learning path which are generated based on the given context. So it is covering data analytics, data warehouse, data marts, analytical structures, data vault, and other stuff as well. So you can also adjust the learning path as well. Let's say you are since you are currently interested in data analytics and data warehouse, you also want to extend your learning to LLM as well. So then I can just prompt in to learn about LLMs as well. So basically it added the milestones for the related to LLM as well. So that is the idea behind it. And with regard to the, we can click on to each milestone to proceed further on the learning journey. And also you'll be able to see the concept knowledge map, basically how well you did in each concept or each topic so that you can focus accordingly. And also I'll explain on the root cause analysis only because it'll be updating certain things once we are doing the MCQs. So I just entered into one of the milestone, which is the introduction to data analytics. So when I clicked into it, it'll be generating the content which the user or student can learn about. So since we are using a fine-tuned model on a very affordable GPU, it is taking some time in terms of processing. But if you are boosting up the GPU hardware, it'll be obviously quick. And we deployed the LLM which we fine-tuned. So yeah, it'll take a minute or so. Yeah, I think it's here. So basically it will be giving the context on the introduction, like descriptive analytics, inferential statistics, basically giving it just as an introduction. And there are three options here. You can ask any questions, something like provide an analogy. Once again, if you have any questions specific to a certain thing in the content, you can just highlight that and then ask the question accordingly. If not, if you are having a general overall question specific to the whole milestone, then then it will be generated for the whole content. So here I just asked it to provide an analogy for it. It is providing a library related example to understand it in terms of data dictionary while reading books. Basically that is a binary search, merge sort, those kind of stuff. And yeah, this is one thing. And let me ask it to visualize the whole thing. So basically we are generating the mind map for the overall content. So basically in terms of the real life example, it is providing weather forecaster, sports teams, doctors. Basically those are the users of these in terms of data analytics. Types of analysis are descriptive analysis and inferential analysis, and also it involves basic programming language like Python and Jupyter Notebook. Basically it just gives a high level mind map of the overall content instead of going through each and every sentence in it. And this is the quiz. Basically you can test yourself by undergoing these quizzes. Even if the user has selected certain incorrect answers, the user will be able to see the visualization for the answer, for the justification. So data analytics uses historical data for identifying the patterns and trends, which will be helping in making decisions for the future events. So if you see the question, what is the purpose of data analytics, you'll be able to see the connection. You'll be able to connect the dots as in the each block here. Also, if you wanna um, tweak or change the direction of the quiz, let's say you wanna have more mathematical problems, provide mathematical related problems. So it is generating the second question, which is also providing a math related question. I'm just selecting a random answer. So also it is providing the explanation for it, why it is a wrong answer and what is the right answer as well. And I'm just clicking on finish, and then I'm going to, you'll be able to review the history as well, what is correct, what went good and what didn't go well. And also finally you'll be able to see here in the dashboard page all the concept knowledge map has been updated based on the concept which you have learned from those milestones and quizzes which you attended. So that is the idea behind it. And with regard to, we also have the voice mode as well. Basically we are doing the speech to text and providing the input to the LLM and then getting the output from that and then making it text to speech. Why we went with a text based model and using speech to text and text to speech is we initially fine tuned text based LLM, and also if we are doing in this way our hardware requirement would be minimal. So I'll be showing you the voice mode now. Explain about data analytics. So basically it has read the whole content, and also you can also have the what to say, you can also more ask more questions as a follow-up and stuff. So that's the idea behind it. And with regard to, yeah, sure, once again you can just upload along the journey which you are experiencing. Also you can export as a readme file if you want to share to someone else. So pretty much that is our project for you. So thank you so much, have a nice day.